Turn sound on.
You've come in for a hearing test. So what have you been noticing about your hearing? Tell me about your hearing.
47% of UK population have never had a hearing test. Book a free hearing test at Hidden Hearing. Super quick and easy. Here are the steps during your test: discussion, examination, hearing assessment, same-day results and available solutions.
We sort of talked about things being life-changing. We talked about what difference it would make. It is ridiculous. If I could say just one thing, is just go and get them tested. It really, you've seen the process. They're lovely, lovely people when you go. There's no pressure to buy anything or do anything. It's your decision, what you do with the results that they give you. And, what I decided to do was get this sorted.
Listen carefully. Your hearing is worth it.
Book your free hearing test now.